welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I decided to do a video talking about how I was treated before my weight loss. That was when I was really big, and then after my weight loss, which is about now, or even when I had not lost as much weight as this, I noticed in different aspects of my life, people treated me differently, whether positively or negatively. So basically this video, I'm just going to be telling you how different categories of my life changed after my weight loss. So I'm going to tell you how it was before my weight loss. I'm going to tell you how it was after my weight loss.
Maranatha. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm just going to start basically from my home, which is from my family, how my family treated me before my weight loss and after my weight loss. So everyone had different reactions to it. So first of all, my mom, before my weight loss, when I was really big, I think African parents in general like their children to be big because they just believe that the bigger you are, that means you're enjoying and your family has money. But if you're too skinny, it means it means you're not eating right, and your family probably doesn't have money. So like my mom really liked seeing me big. My mom used to complain, maybe she'd be like, ah, this one is so skinny, this one, why is she so tiny? But me, when she sees me, ah, look at you. So yeah, my mom liked me big. And also I used to wear her clothes. I used to wear some of her clothes. My mom is really stylish, so I used to wear some of her clothes and it used to fit me well. My mom is not big at all, but for her age, she's not even big at all. But for my age, I was too young to be wearing my mom's clothes. So yeah, anyway, yeah, so after my weight loss, my mom did not like it at all. My mom was not taking it. She was complaining, look at your neck, looking like a chicken. Look at you, you look like a chicken. Hell, Jesus. People are going to say we don't have money again. People are going to say you are suffering. That's what my mommy was saying. Mom was like, why are you looking like this? Look at your bones, why are your bones coming out? So that was my mom's own reaction. My mom didn't like it at all, but now she's kind of used to it, and she kind of tells people, oh, my daughter used to be big, now she's really healthy and stuff. So yeah, my dad on the other hand, when I was really big, my dad was really concerned. He was always telling me, you need to watch your health, you're so big for your age, you're so young, why are you so big, why are you so big? But he didn't used to make it say it in a bad way, but he just used to tell me, like, tell me so that I should have it at the back of my mind that I should try and be healthy. My dad used to tell me that. And after my weight loss, my dad was really supportive. Actually, he liked it. But yeah, my dad liked my weight loss. He was actually really happy about it. And then now he's like, are you sure maybe you shouldn't add like extra 5 kg just so you won't look too skinny? So I'm like, wait, daddy, can you choose one? Can you choose one? My siblings on the other hand were really supportive. Honestly, before I even lost weight, my siblings were always they would just mock me and be like, ha, look at your butt, look at your this. But it was always funny stuff. My siblings were always supportive of me before my weight loss. After my weight loss, they're also really supportive of me. They're always supportive of me anyway. So yeah, that's it. So now I'm just going to go into Nigerian men. How Nigerian men treated me before my weight loss. Honestly, my weight loss has actually made me know what Nigerian men like. And I'm just going to tell you guys this. They like big women. I'm telling you, before my weight loss, I'm just walking on the road, I'm just going to the mall, I'm just going somewhere, you see the men coming to meet me like this, they'll be like, hey, look at you, they'll be giving me eye. At the mall, in the supermarket, I'll just be meeting guys, young guys, even older, I don't know anyone, they shy to come and meet me. But now, it's like, when they see me, it's like I'm a walking chicken. No, really. Guys do meet me, of course, now, but I don't think it's as much as then, like in Nigeria. Like then it was a lot. It was quite overwhelming. They would stare at me so much. I think because I had body, you know, hips and everything. Nigerian men obviously like big women. So I'm just going to say this. Before my weight loss, Nigerian men gave me so much attention. Like I got so much attention from men anytime I went out. But now I still do get attention, but honestly I don't get as much attention as I used to get before my weight loss. Okay, now going to women, how women in general treated me then versus now. So before I lost weight, when I say women, I mean older women. I'll say women from like maybe the age of like 37. 37 is not old at all, honestly, in my opinion. Nowadays 37 is hot AF, but I'm talking about like, anyway, women that are way older than me, and I'll say maybe from 37 to up to the age of like 60 or whatever. So yeah, how women treated me before my weight loss, women were very critical about me, especially when it comes to my dressing. Then I just always had this experience. You know how African women are, or in general Africans are. Africans do not mind their business, and that's a problem. So women can just come and meet you, and I meet women everywhere. I work in an office also. I work a 9-to-5 job, so I meet women in different areas of my life, including work. And women then maybe my dressing, maybe when they see me, you know, bodycon skirts, when I wear my skirts, when I wear my dresses, then a woman will come and meet me, see, you're showing too much of your body is too big to be wearing fitted clothes. I think they always wanted me to wear big clothes. So then I used to struggle with, sometimes I still used to dress up how I want to dress up, especially on Instagram. But like outside world, I used to be very conscious about how women especially viewed me, because they are so judgmental. They make you feel like you're some kind of prostitute for wearing like a fitted dress or something. So then I used to get it so much. So I can't count how many times someone would tell me, you're looking too flashy because you're big. Like they just felt like because I'm big and maybe my butt was a lot bigger and my hips were a lot bigger, I'm attracting men to me, and because of that I should wear big clothes and I shouldn't wear fitted clothes. And then I'm thinking about it, I'm like, what the hell? But then I used to listen to them and be like, I'm trying, it's really hard, like because still then my waist was smaller and my hip side was bigger, so I still used to have that issue of like, yeah, I'm trying to get clothes that fit me. I'll try and explain myself, and now I'm like, why the hell was I even trying to explain myself to those close-minded people? But anyway, now how women treat me now that I have lost weight is quite different. A lot of the women that knew me then, now they are trying to get weight loss advice from me. The same ones that used to tell me that I look somehow wearing those clothes, they're trying to get weight loss advice from me and everything, which I give to them. I don't despise anyone. I give the advice as much as I can to them. But also, when I wear really fitted or tight clothes, nobody tells me anything anymore. Nobody, because maybe they feel like my butt isn't big or something, but nobody tells me anything anymore. Nobody tells me, why is your dress so tight? You shouldn't wear this, you're attracting too many men. Nobody, I'm telling you, since I lost weight, nobody has come to tell me that. And I'm like, wow. So next I'm just going to go to how my friends treated me in general. And I had the good people who were really happy for me, and I had the you know, the people that you could see the hate in their eyes. But anyway, in general, I'll say there were some people when I was bigger, some people were really mean to me. I will not lie. They were so mean to me. They treated me so bad, and now I'm still wondering, like, why were you still hanging around those kind of people? I don't know why I was hanging around those kind of people, but they used to treat me so bad. They would maybe mock me like you're big something, you're so big, haha, look at you, something like that. And then yes, it will hurt me, but then I would just try to manage it and still keep them as my friends. So which doesn't make any sense. Like a lot of things I did then, and a lot of things I tolerated then, I'm thinking now and I'm like, why did you tolerate that? Why did you take that from people? But anyway, life goes on. But at the end of the day, the truth is that a lot of them were also really supportive, and a lot of them were also really happy for me. But now some of those people that were really mean to me are now really nice to me, and I'm like, wow, so all it took was for me to lose weight, and you are all of a sudden so nice to me, and now you don't mock me, you don't look down on me anymore. And I don't hang around them, but they were just people that I kind of had to hang around because they knew people I knew or something like that. But my really close friends are not like that with me. But in general, I have my closest friends are also really supportive. They were really supportive of me before my weight loss and after my weight loss. Like then my friends used to hype me up, girl. They'll be like thick, 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 thick. But now they're like, hey, fit, 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 slim thick, slim thick, slim thick, slim thick. So yeah, anyway, my really close friends were nice, and my close friends are nice now. But yeah, anyway, I'll give you guys like an example of something that really hurt me some time ago before my weight loss. So I had this friend, and we kind of met at a social gathering that was a few years ago, and yeah, I was still bigger then, and we all dressed up, we all looked nice. But then she's like 2 years older than me, and then I saw her, I was like, oh my god, you look so good, and you look so young, as in, that's what I told her. I was like, you look so good, you look so young. And she was like, yeah, of course, because I'm skinny, I'm really tiny, I can't look old. Or like, you look like a grandma. As in, I was like, I didn't understand. She said I looked like a grandma. She said I look like a grandma. Like, I was hurt, but then I just smiled. I just smiled about it. But as in, now that I think about it, gosh, I honestly tolerated a lot of rubbish from people. I did really tolerate a lot of rubbish from people, and now I'm never going to do that. I'm never going to allow people to step on me or to ridicule me or anything. I was quite confident in my body sometimes. Sometimes I really had it, oh my god, why is my tummy big or something? But I was actually in a good place, honestly, with my body somehow. So yeah, but I still took a lot of rubbish from people, which I will never do again. And yeah, so the girl now, she's not really saying anything about my weight loss, but then she said I was a grandma because I was bigger, which did not make any sense at all. Also, relating to friends, I've also heard some things about some friends that have said some things about me. When I lost weight, some people will say, that time some people will say, let's see how long she can keep the weight, let's see how long she can survive, let's see, she's still going to gain the weight back. People said, actually did say a lot of negative things, and I heard about it. While also some people recently, some people have also said that I look bad now that I have lost most of my weight, that I look bad. I've heard so many things from different people say different things about me, honestly, but I do not care. I'm just going to take it like that, because the world is just strange. If you do one thing, they're not satisfied. If you do something else, they are not satisfied. So you cannot satisfy everyone. So just do what is best for you. So also in the corporate environments, there were also times when I was ridiculed, like not directly sometimes because it's a corporate environment, but maybe we're having like a general conversation or something, and then someone will just say, oh, I'm not as big as you, so something. Like, I always got ridiculed a lot. Or maybe they're sharing like birthday cake in the office, or maybe small chops or chicken, like fried stuff, and then I would eat, and maybe someone would be like, so as big as you are, you're still eating like this, like in the office. So I will feel so bad sometimes. So sometimes I used to be so scared actually taking some of the things that they would share, just because of how people would make me feel, or maybe because of the comments that people would make about me. Now, I would say now in the corporate environment, people now, how they are saying it is, I thought you are healthy, so how come you're eating this? Like, okay, yes, I eat healthy. I eat healthy like 90% of the time in my life. So if you see me take out of all the time, maybe they share cake in the office, I probably take cake like 95% of the time, if not less. I'm always saying no to cake. But the moment someone sees me maybe taking a piece of cake, someone's like, I thought you were healthy, so why are you taking cake? I hope this cake will not make you fat, or something like that. Like, why don't people just mind their business? I had not lost weight, and then they are saying negative things about me, and they're saying, oh my god, why are you taking cake, you're big. Now I've lost the weight, and now you see me taking cake like once in how many months, and then you're like, why are you taking cake? I thought you were healthy. Like, what the hell? Can you just leave me alone? I need people to just leave me alone. I need people to leave me alone, honestly. But anyway, like I said, I get the negative, I get the positive on each side. It's crazy. But one thing that has really made me happy, fat versus skinny, is when I go shopping. Oh my god. When I go shopping, they will bring like the biggest trousers. They'll be like, this is your size, extra large, sis. Then I'll be like, oh my god, can you hide it? I don't think that's my size. But now they're like, oh, I think you're going to be a small. Yeah, you're definitely going to be a small. And I was like, oh my god. Am I small? Am I small? Oh my god. So yeah, shopping is just crazy for me now. It's still kind of exciting because I'm like, oh my god, so you think I'm small? I don't think I'm small. Well, they think I'm small. And then they bring the small clothes and then it fits me and I'm like, oh my god, I'm small. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something from it, and also had fun watching this video. If you did, do not forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment for me down below if you have anything to say, and also follow my page where I do workouts. I do daily workouts on my Gymfrique page, and I also give advice like lifestyle tips, eating tips, everything on my Gymfrique page. You can also follow me on Life as Natha, which is my regular everyday page. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next YouTube video. 2019 is our year. We are all going to be the best versions of ourselves. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.